Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the VAC system issue in Counter-Strike 2. So guys, you simply have to download the old version of Steam, which you can find in the description. Simply download it and install the Steam version, which is older. The problem is caused by the latest version of Steam. So once you downgraded the Steam, simply log in with your account and launch the Counter-Strike 2, and let's check it now. That's it guys, there you can see. So that's how you can fix it. That's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.